Hey guys, I'm Tyler and welcome back to D2D DIY. You guys know that I love my power tools, and that addiction for tools is fueled by my sponsorship with RIDGID Power Tools, who just hooked me up with a couple more drills that are all blacked out. This is a limited edition toolkit and this thing is sweet. Stay tuned, there might just be one of these kits that I'm giving away at the end of this video. So I got those all blacked out tools, and I actually just got a couple of these smaller 12-volt tools that I will need for an upcoming project, and I have no place to put them anymore. So I want to utilize this space on the French cleat to get a space for those, and also get some of my extra batteries off of this shelf and put them on there. I'm going to try to use only stuff that is on my lumber rack over there, so this will be a free project completely out of scraps. What's going on, Ethan?
Nothing.
Nothing? Okay, let's build this thing. So I know I want to get these three 12-volt drills onto this little majigger. 6 inches wide, 12 inches tall, and I know that the spacing from my previous kit of 1 3/4 inches for the drill works absolutely perfect for these, so that is what I'm going to go off. I'm going to put one right in the middle, and then I'll divide the remaining distance in half to put the other two in.
Here, you move, and if you move again, I'll put this over right here, and you will get it. And if I come around, I'll get it. Then pretend that you roped to it, and you got off. Get off of this. My. Ha ha. So does that. So does that. And this. So what did the ducks say? Go to mommy and say, one time, in a dish. That. Whoa!
You like that? Get these batteries up here so we can get them charged up.
Wow.
Nice, huh?
That is nice.
Charged. How many can we fit out?
It didn't take long.
No. 4. Sweet. Look at that.
I like it.
Well, there we are, folks. The quick little scrap drill rack is done. I will probably throw some orange paint on there to match the rest of the theme back here, but I don't like to paint, and I'm sure you guys don't like to watch that. Anyway, like I said, for all you guys that stayed all the way to the end, this is a limited edition blacked out toolkit by RIDGID. Even the batteries are kind of a custom look, which is super cool. Like I said before, I love the orange on the metal. Super, super cool. But anyway, this is a limited edition 4-tool kit. You got a brushless impact driver. This has got 3 selectable speeds. You got the drill. There is also a black cordless circular saw and an angle grinder and 2 4-amp-hour batteries. RIDGID did not ask me to say this, but if you guys would like to purchase one of these, you can follow the link in the description below to the promotions page that RIDGID puts out, and you can purchase one of these just in time for Christmas. And if you guys still want one of these but you don't want to buy it, head over to my website, DIYtyler.com, where we will be giving away one of these blacked out combo kits just in time to make somebody's Christmas awesome. Make sure you fill out all the information in the contest entries so that I can contact the winner via email. I will not be announcing it over here on YouTube again. Maybe I'll announce it over on Instagram, so make sure you're following me there, DIY Tyler G, which is going to be part of the contest entry as well. Good luck to all you guys. I'm DIY Tyler, and you guys have a good one.